Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi stuck on connecting. How to fix Wi-Fi issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. We start from basic. Turn off Wi-Fi and force restart your iDevice by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model. After restart, turn on Wi-Fi. If you are facing same issue, then tap on I symbol, tap on it, scroll down and tap configure IP and select automatic, tap on save, go back to Wi-Fi and hopefully your problem will be solved. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.